this is Annette Kirshner.
And I'm Samantha Lerma.
And today we wanted to give you some insight on how Northern AZ team at HomeSmart Professionals is handling the coronavirus and the precautions our team is taking in order to be with you every step of the way.
Lately, we have been receiving a ton of questions on how this time is comparing to the 2008 market crash.
The 2008 real estate crash was due to faulty mortgage practices, which was caused by giving a loan to just about anyone and everyone.
And with mortgage rates being so low at this time, we do not expect to have a mortgage crash like 2008.
So in case you have been curious, the coronavirus versus the 2008 crash, they are two totally different scenarios.
Most of us are under the stay-at-home guidelines, and some of our clients are on hold, and we totally support that. But some people still need to move, and they don't have the luxury to stay home for a month or two during this time.
In order to continue assisting our clients during this time, we are doing a whole lot of virtual tours for our clients. If you are not a client, please feel free to reach out to us for a complimentary buyer and seller presentation.
If you see a property of interest, we are doing virtual home tours so our clients can watch the tour through their computer or through their phone.
They can watch online, and then if they decide that they want to see the home in person, we will schedule a tour.
We are asking all sellers to leave the lights on during the showing and to leave the interior doors open, such as pantries, cupboards, so that when the buyer's walking through the house, they literally have to touch nothing.
We will supply hand sanitizers, gloves, booties, and we'll practice social distancing so everyone stays safe.
Thank you so much for listening, and remember that we are with you every step of the way. That means even if you need us to run to the grocery store or to pick up something for you, we are totally here for you.
In the meantime, enjoy your family, do little hobbies, and get organized, and soon this will be in a distant memory.
Stay healthy and safe. See you later.
Bye.